Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, CD player, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.